Up to yesterday, we have seen preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Now today, we are going to study the preparation methods of carboxylic acids. Now, the first method of preparation of carboxylic acid is from nitriles and amides. That means nitriles are first converted into the amides. We know the amides in 11th standard. The RC double bond O dash NH2. This is the general formula of the amides. Now how the nitriles are first converted into amides and how the amides are then converted into the carboxylic acid, let us see. Now first step. Now take here methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide is nothing but it is also called as the ethane nitrile. Now in ethane nitrile there is the carbon and nitrogen have the triple bond. Now in these methyl nitrile, first do the hydrolysis of the methyl nitrile by adding the water molecule. How the water molecule is added? Let us see. Now here this water I write here as HOH. Now this OH bond attacks on this carbon. At the same time what happened? This one of the bond from the triple bond shift on the nitrogen. There is now negative charge on the nitrogen. This negative charge then attract this proton because this OH attacks with this bond. There is only H plus ion. Now this negative charge attract this proton and there is such type of intermediate is formed. CH3C. Now this OH is attached here. Here is the double bond and this nitrogen attract the H. So this intermediate is formed. Now this is nothing but one of the form of the amide. Now see here how the rearrangement is there. Rearrangement is very essential. Now in rearrangement only the atoms are shifts. Now this hydrogen give here double bond. And at the same time, these bonds shift on nitrogen. One of the double bond between C and N shift on nitrogen because carbon have now 5 bonds, so one bond must be shift on nitrogen. So this is only the rearrangement. Now here, this gives the double bond. Here this negative charge is there. That negative charge attract this proton, and there is formation of such amide. Now see CH3 C double bond, only single bond is here and this NH is converted into NH2 because this hydrogen goes again to on that nitrogen. Now this is the amide and the name of this amide is the acetamide. So the first step is very important. This is the very important reaction for the preparation of acids from nitriles and amides. Now first step is very important. If you do this first step, then the second step is very easy. That is only the acid hydrolysis by using the dilute HCl, that is addition of water molecule. I take here this amide again in the second step. Now this is the amide. Now in this again there is the addition of the water molecule. Now how in the second step the water molecule is added? Let us see. There is only addition of water in both the steps. That is the acid hydrolysis. But in first step the amide must be formed from that of is these nitriles. Now see here. Here is again the addition of water. How the addition of water is very simple here. Now this is water molecule HOH. Now this OH attack on this electron deficient carbonyl carbon. At the same time this bond breaks. Now again there is the negative charge on the nitrogen and that negative charge attract this hydrogen again. And this NH2 group is converted into this ammonia. Ammonia gets evolved. Now directly acid is formed. Now this CH3 C double bond OH, that is the acetic acid is formed. This is the first method for the preparation of the carboxylic acid. if you take the higher alkyl cyanides or nitriles, then you can prepare the higher acids also. Hydrogen cyanide, what will be hydrogen cyanide will give? Hydrogen cyanide will give the formic acid. That is the first acid, because in hydrogen cyanide or hydrogen nitrile, there is the hydrogen atom, and we obtain the formic acid also by this method. You can practice by taking different alkyl cyanides or nitriles, and you can that is form or obtain different acids. Now this is only one example, but do at home so many example for the practice. Any example may be asked into the examination. In text they given only the general reaction, but we take here the particular reaction. You can write the general reaction if they ask the short note on this topic, that is the preparation of carboxylic acid by amides or nitriles, then you must give the general reaction also. This is only one example. Now see the second method of the preparation of, that is acid, from acyl chloride or acyl anhydride. Now first let us see from the acyl chloride. You know the general formula of the acyl chloride, RC=CL. Only Cl is attached to this the carbonyl group, but I take here the particular example. Now this is the acetyl chloride, CS3C=Cl. Now it is also on hydrolysis, that is addition of water directly give the acid. Here is the bond break is there. Now here also addition of water in this way, HOH, which attacks on this electron deficient carbonyl carbon. At the same time this bond get breaks, and this Cl minus attract this H plus, and there is formation of byproduct ACl, and we obtain the acetic acid. Now this is the second very simplest method for the preparation of the carboxylic acid from acyl chloride. If we take the higher acyl chloride, higher acid may be formed. Now in that there is the preparation of acid from anhydrides. We know the acid anhydrides, they are formed by the two molecules of acid, water molecule. When evolved from the two molecules of acid, acid anhydride are formed, and that is already we seen what is the general formula of acid anhydride, RC=O, C=R dash. But I take here the particular example, acetic anhydride. Now here is also bond breaking between the one of the carbonyl and oxygen. Now here is again the addition of water molecule is there. Now suppose this is the water molecule HOH. Here again this OH attack one of the carbonyl. Any carbonyl it may be attacked. At the same time what happened when this OH attack on this carbonyl group, this group get breaks. Sorry, this bond get breaks, and there is the again this minus charge of this bond attract this H plus, because this attack with the bond. That becomes CS3C=OH, one of the acid molecule, and again there is the formation of another acid molecule CS3C=O minus attract this H. It becomes CS3C=OH. That means two molecules are obtained by the acid anhydride. So this gives the better yield than the any other reaction, because one molecule of acid anhydride forms directly two molecules of acid. So this is also the very financially commercial method for the preparation of acids. Now these are the, we are seeing here totally two main methods, but into that here is the from acyl chloride and anhydride, that becomes three sub methods of preparation of the carboxylic acids. And in all these methods we are what seeing, there is only the addition of water molecule, acid hydrolysis, and we obtain the carboxylic acid. So the methods of preparation of carboxylic acids are very very simple methods. Now let us see the next method. Now this is from the formation of the carboxylic acid from the ester. You know very well the general formula of the ester, RCOO R But I take here the particular example of the ester. This is the ethyl acetate. the name is given from this right hand side, ethyl acetate. This is the ester, and there is also general reaction, but I take here the particular reaction, that is the ethyl acetate. On acid hydrolysis only use here acid, that is the sulfuric acid in place of hydrochloric acid. This is also the acid hydrolysis reaction. Here is also the addition of water molecule, because we know that in acid hydrolysis there is only addition of the water molecule. Here also this carbonyl carbon, we know that in each carbonyl compound, the carbonyl carbon is very electron deficient. So the that is a nucleophile, negatively charged ion, always attacks on that carbonyl carbon. Now this OH minus attacks on this carbonyl carbon. At the same time, this bond get breaks, and there is negative charge on this oxygen. Now here, by attacking this OH, there is formation of acid. Here acetic acid is formed, and this C2H5O minus, that is the ethoxide ion, that becomes ethoxide ion. This C2H5O minus attract this H plus, and there is formation of the alcohol ethanol. This is also very simple method, but there are two sub methods in the from the ester. When we prepare carboxylic acid from ester, two sub methods are there. First one is the by acid hydrolysis of ester, and another is the by alkaline hydrolysis of ester. In both these sub method there is the hydrolysis, but in first method dilute acids are used, and in the second method dilute alkalis are used. Now this is the alkaline hydrolysis of ester. Here also that is the addition of water molecule, but here this dilute alkali sodium hydroxide first gets added into the first step. How it is? Now see here, suppose there is the sodium hydroxide is there, NaOH. Now this OH attack on this carbonyl carbon, at the same time this bond get breaks, and there is a formation of this not in this way, right here dash ONA. Now this is also nothing but the NaOH. Now this ONA attacks on this carbonyl carbon. O have the negative charge oxygen. O minus Na attacks actually, because this bond is on the electron of this bond is on the oxygen. So ONA attacks on this carbonyl carbon, at the same time this bond get breaks, and this methoxide ion attract this hydrogen, and there is formation of the byproduct methanol. Now in both of the reaction from acid hydrolysis and from alkali hydrolysis, the byproducts are alcohol. Remember that. There is in first in acid hydrolysis we also obtain there is the ethyl alcohol. Now I take here somewhat, that is the higher ester. The name of this ester is methyl propionate or propianoate. Propianoate is the IUPAC name. This can be written as propianoate. Propanoate in the IUPAC nomenclature, and propionate in the common name. That means methyl propanoate or methyl propionate. Now in this ONA minus attack on this carbonyl carbon. Why it is propanoate? Because there are 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. So it is the methyl propanoate. Now here this ONA minus attack, at the same time this bond get breaks. This methoxide ion attract this hydrogen, and there is formation of methanol, and this C2H5C double bond ONA from this salt, sodium salt of the acid carboxylic acid. The name of that salt is sodium propionate or sodium propanoate. In the IUPAC name it is called as the sodium propanoate. Now that is the salt, because this sodium ion have positive charge and this oxygen have the negative charge. This is the sodium salt of the carboxylic acid, and we know that sodium salt of higher carboxylic acids are called as the soap. Saponification is there when we use that is the alkali, but in saponification the fatty acids are used in place of the ester. There is also formation of this soap. Now this is the sodium propionate or sodium propanoate. Now this sodium propanoate, on again in the second step there is again acid hydrolysis by using the dilute HCl, and in this there is the addition of water molecule. Now in this what happened? Again this OH minus attacks on this carbonyl carbon and this ONA get detached from here. Again this ONA minus sign on that oxygen attract this proton, and there is the regeneration of the alkali again in the second step. The alkali which we used in the first step get regenerated again into the second step, and we obtain the carboxylic acid. Here the carboxylic acid is the propanoic acid or propionic acid in the common name. Now in this way, in the two step, they are obtained the carboxylic acid if we do the alkaline hydrolysis. But for acid hydrolysis, only one step mechanism is there for obtaining the that is the carboxylic acid. They may be asked the short note on this topic. Only they ask the question, write a short note on hydrolysis of esters. So you must know that in hydrolysis of ester there are the two subparts, by acid hydrolysis, by alkaline hydrolysis. Now in acid hydrolysis there is only one step, and in alkaline hydrolysis there are the two steps. They may ask for 2 marks only, what is the action of dilute alkali on the ester, methyl propionate or ethyl acetate. Such type they may be asked for the 2 marks, but you must write these two step mechanism for that. Now there you obtain the 2 marks. Now see here, fourth method from alkyl benzene. Now alkyl benzene means these are the hydrocarbons, as we see the preparation of aldehydes from hydrocarbon. That is similarly here we use the alkyl benzene, and the name of this alkyl benzene is toluene. We know that this is the toluene or methyl benzene. मी सोडणार नाही कारण मला बोलायला मजबूर केलंय तुम्ही आज. सोडणार नाही. Toluene, that is the methyl benzene. Now in methyl benzene, when we use these KMnO4 alkaline KMnO4 is used for that. That is the potassium. This is the alkaline KMnO4 potassium, KMnO4 and KOH are used for that. Potassium permanganate we use here, and there is the toluene, that is the methyl benzene. First view in the first step potassium benzoate. Now how the reaction, what is the mechanism, that have no matter. Only remember, if on the benzene ring there is the chain of the alkyl group. Now this is the side chain on the methyl benzene. Then convert that side chain. Though the side chain may be very long, such as ethyl, propyl, butyl, no matter, but only convert the side chain into this potassium benzoate. Now here only COOK, potassium benzoate must be formed. If there may be ethyl group or butyl group or propyl group, any that is the alkyl benzene, any alkyl benzene in the first step on that is the reaction with this alkaline KMnO4, by heating it convert this into potassium benzoate. Remember that very important point. In JEE they may be asked here, give suppose here ethyl benzene may be give, propyl benzene, butyl, any, and give this reaction, what is the product A, and on acid hydrolysis what is the product B. But remember, always there is finally the formation of benzoic acid, and no any other acid are formed, only benzoic acids are formed. Now this potassium benzoate on acid hydrolysis directly give, that is the benzoic acid. And in this way, this is the fourth method of formation of the that is carboxylic acid. Let us see the fifth method, which is remaining now, only the final method of preparation of carboxylic acids. Now let us see the last two methods of preparation of acid that are very important again. Now first one is the from alkene, carbon-carbon double bond. Now here we use the alkene. The name of this alkene is, see here, 1, 2. Now this is the 2-phenyl ethene. Now in this there is also acidified potassium permanganate is used. Now this is the KMnO4, but it is acidified permanganate is used, and directly this alkene is converted into the benzoic acid. Remember that if double bond is there, that is alkene are used for the preparation of acid. There is no mechanism, only one carbon atom, that is there is the elimination of this CH2 group. One carbon atom is less, which is acid is formed from that. Directly benzoic acid is formed. You take any alkene here, but only form the benzoic acid. Now this is very simplest method. But if such ring alkene is there, that is the cyclohexene, then both of the carbons of the double bond are converted into the acid group, that is the COH group. Remember that. For aliphatic alkene, only monocarboxylic acids are formed. But if we use the that is chain alkene or closed chain alkene, cyclic alkene, then both of the carbons which are joined by the double bonds are converted into the carboxylic group. Remember that. They may be asked into the JEE CET such type of question. Now this is the adipic acid, that is the hexane dioic acid is called as the adipic acid. From Grignard reagent, now 2-3 minutes. From Grignard reagent, now you know the Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide. This is the Grignard reagent, that is the RMgX, and this is the dry ice, that is solid carbon dioxide, CO2. Remember that CO2, if in the solid state, it is called as the dry ice. It is similar that of the ice. The temperature is also very low as that of the ice, but when we heat that, it does not converted into that is the water, but it converted into the gaseous carbon dioxide. Now here a very important mechanism is there. We know that the alkyl group have the negative charge and magnesium have the positive charge. This negatively charged methyl group attack on this. Now write down the carbon dioxide in this way, C double bond O. At the same time, one of the bond shift on this O minus is there. Now MgBr attached to that. Now this complex is obtained. Now this CH3 attack here. C double bond O, OMgBr, very important first step complex. And this complex on acid hydrolysis, addition of water, again there is the attack of this OH minus on this carbonyl carbon. At the same time, OMgBr get detached. Sorry. Now see here. Now see here, this OH minus attack on this carbonyl carbon. This get detached and there is formation of acetic acid and MgBrOH, that is the byproduct. This last method is very important method. They may be asked into the examination. How will you prepare carboxylic acid from the Grignard reagent and dry ice? Now this is very important method.
तो आज पूरा चाल लगेगा बेलस नहीं देते बस